Hey, it's Andre. It's time for another Friday Flying Update. I got some maintenance to do. You're looking at the hot end for the ANET A8. I would have to say this is the first really big component failure this printer has suffered in its 2 years with me, and it's just the thermocoupler, the little thermal resistor sensor that tells the board what the hot end is doing. And it just got to the point that it was intermittent. Actually, it was so bad I forgot about it, and I went to start up the printer to do a job, and like it wouldn't go. You know, you sit there, tap it. Now unfortunately, this does mean I have to rip in the entire printer because of the wire loom and everything, and reset everything. So it's going to be a bit of a big job. It's Friday night's job, I think. Other than that, flying hasn't happened. January was terrible. February was worst, and I just never worked at the motivation. The conditions were just terribly bad. It's crap out there right now. The fields are icy and chunky and broken up and everything. Like it's plain carnage kind of stuff. So we'll see. I might do a reconnaissance run on the weekend, and if I can get out with the bomber and a few other airplanes, maybe I will, because I really haven't flown since December 31st, which is just terrible. But that's just the way life has been going. In the mail of RC related and fun stuff, but the only thing that's come in recently has been the Maker knife, and I got this because of David Vindestol. I love this thing. This is a really cool product. You know, the locking mechanism and everything, and the quality of the cuts this will do is just awesome. Look how good that came out. So I of course got the silver one just to match all my other Apple devices and everything, and 3 ceramic blades. Came in a nice package, nice box with a bunch of decals, and of course the extra blades and a band-aid, which I thought was hilarious. So really nice product, really solid product. Haven't had a chance to do any reviews, haven't really looked at anything on the product. Don't even know what my plans are for 2018. Sorry, 2019 now. That's funny. Got a few things I want to build, a few aircraft. Obviously all the jets have to be flown and everything, and I got some wings to finish and everything. So, but it's one of those things where I've got a lot of other more important personal things I got to focus in life, and that's really taking the priority right now. So I'm going to keep going, but I think the hobby will be a little bit more relaxed moving forward, just because I need to address some personal stuff and just need to focus there. But I gotta fly. I love flying. I want to keep flying. I want to keep telling the story and everything. So there you go. Not a huge lot of news. I'm gonna get into this printer and get this thing going, because I might be silly enough and print a third little Spitfire for Flight Fest, this year in July. So, and try not to melt it and actually fly the darn thing at an event. So we'll see. I'm Andre. Thank you for continuing to watch the videos. Thank you for continuing to subscribe and ask questions. Have a great weekend. Hope you get out flying.